The most dangerous thing that can happen while you're heading home alone isn't being late. The real danger is not making it home, and no one knowing whether your iPhone's battery died, you lost service, or something happened to you. Instead of constantly texting your family to tell them where you are, or sharing your location with them all the time, let your iPhone monitor your arrival and automatically alert someone you trust if you don't arrive and don't respond. Open the Messages app and select the conversation with the person you want to keep informed. Tap the plus button, and if the feature doesn't appear, select More. Then tap Check In, tap Continue. Here, you'll see two options: limited shares your current location, battery level, and network signal for your iPhone and Apple Watch. Full also includes your traveled route and the last location where your iPhone was unlocked or your Apple Watch was removed. Choose the option that works best for you. These details aren't sent simply because you started your journey. They're sent if you don't arrive, don't complete the check-in, and don't respond to the alerts. You can change your choice later using the path shown on your iPhone if you want. Then tap Edit. You'll find two options: When I arrive, which is best when you're traveling to a specific destination. Set your destination, then choose how you're traveling: driving, transit, or walking. Your iPhone will estimate your arrival time and monitor your progress. If you arrive safely, it will automatically complete the check-in and notify the person that you've arrived. But if your journey stops progressing or you're unexpectedly delayed, your iPhone will ask you to respond. If you don't respond within 15 minutes, the person you selected will be alerted automatically. The second option is after a timer. This is useful if you're somewhere you don't feel safe or you're going to meet someone for the first time. Set the duration, and when the timer ends, your iPhone will ask you to choose End Check-in or Add More Time. If you don't respond, the person you selected will receive an alert. But keep this in mind: the feature alerts the person you selected, but it doesn't contact the police or emergency services on your behalf. Both your iPhone and the other person's iPhone must be running iOS 17 or later. Finally, test it during a short trip before you need it in a real situation. Once you confirm that it works, write this in the comments. Keep going, and I'll leave you a heart. If you know someone who travels home alone or whose family worries about them, like the video and send it to them. And subscribe so every important iPhone feature reaches you before you need it.